Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is August 20th, 2019, and what I want to talk to you about today is what is eating your straw flowers. Now if you look here, you can see the damage that's been done to this flower here, and that's what I want to actually talk to you about today. What is doing this damage? Now wasps will eat your straw flowers out like this. They'll eat the petals of the flowers. So will grasshoppers, katydids will, cicadas, and I have actually seen the cucumber beetle for some reason was eating the straw flowers too. I've never seen that before. I've never seen them do that. So I'm not exactly sure why they're doing that. And I've also seen stink bugs damaging them. So here's another one up here. You can see the damage that they did to this one. Now these flowers will not recover from this damage. And it's kind of, it's not what you want to happen because you can't use the flowers then because they're just damaged. You can't use them for like dried arrangements or arrangements because you're going to see that in them. So I'm going to show you some more damage that these pests have done to my straw flowers. So we'll be right back. And here's another one here. You can see they just ate the petals out here, and you can start seeing some of the center of the straw flower. So I wanted to show you this one here too. Now you can see on this one here, I've been letting these go to seed because I wanted to collect the seeds off of them. And I picked out my specimen flowers specifically for seed saving because I liked how large the flowers were, and I liked the color, and I like how the plants grew. But what actually happened was, you can see over here, it's damaged, and that is due to the back of it down here. Something went in and actually ate it, and it did that to me on this one here as well. You can see the back of it. They just went in the back and they ate it. And what caught my attention on this one is I've been watching it, and I noticed the petals on this side look damaged. They weren't like opening. You can see here they're just like flaking right off because the pest went in and it ate the bottom, which was holding the straw flower, the actual petals into place off. So yesterday when I came over, I was coming over to check on them, and I seen this one here, and this one here is completely ate off. And that was actually done by a big katydid. And I tried to get it, but unfortunately I couldn't. And this one over here the same way. They just snipped the flower off the stem, and now the flower is just hanging here. So this one here, they did damage the flower on it as well. You can see that right there. So I'm gonna have to, you can see they were eating it up here too. So I'm going to have to really watch these things. I know they damaged them in the past, but not quite like this. So I've been checking the undersides of them to see if they damaged them, so I know if I can even harvest seeds off of them. I mean, it's a shame because these are such beautiful flowers here, and they're a really nice size that the pest just damaged them like that. And on some of the other ones, they were actually, like the one I had taken off, they were eating the stems, and the flowers couldn't get the nutrients in, and the flowers were just dying. So when you collect your straw flowers to harvest them, you want to check the backs of them to make sure that nothing went into them and ate them. Because as you can see on this one here, it's not going to form or open right. So on others, they just ate the stem, like right down along here, they would start chewing on it. So if that's the case and they do that and you still want to keep the flower, you can just harvest the flower head off and dry just this part or you can take the flower top off and put a wire stem in it, and that'll be the stem then for the flower after it dries. And you can see this one here, they just ate the stem the whole way down to where it starts down here. So this flower here, I'm going to have to take this one here off and just dry it the way that it is, because it's not going to grow anymore because the pest damaged the stem. They just ate it the whole way down through. So if your straw flowers are being eaten, it's most likely due to either a grasshopper, a wasp, a cicada, a katydid. Like I said, I've never seen cucumber beetles ever eat these before, but they're eating them this year. Or a stink bug. Now, if your blooms or your plants are on the ground and you have rabbits, the rabbits will eat them too. I lost a few of mine to some rabbits. They just decided to have themselves a meal. So, now, caterpillars will also damage the stems of your straw flowers too. And if that happens and you want to keep the flower itself and the flower's not damaged, then go ahead and take the flower off and either lay it on a piece of newspaper and let it dry, or you can just put a wire stem in the bottom of the flower and let it dry that way, and then you'll still be able to use them for your arrangements. So I have seen caterpillars damaging the stems, and what they'll actually do is you won't even really see it until sometimes it's too late and you cut the stem, where the stem itself will be eaten, and it's not going to dry properly or hold your flower properly because it doesn't have everything that it needs to hold the flower. And I actually have had already where the whole stem would actually just fall over or break off due to the caterpillars eating the stems, or the grasshoppers, or the katydids. So it's something you gotta watch out for. And I didn't try neem oil on these yet to see if it would repel the pests. I really don't want to spray them if I don't have to, but if they keep damaging everything, then I'm not going to have a choice but to spray them or cover them so that the pests can't get them, and I can get my dried flowers off or get my seeds that I need. And these are actually growing here in the greenhouse, and the grasshopper got in here, and you can see the damage that it did to the leaves. It just ate a hole right in the leaf. So you really got to watch for them when you're trying to grow your stuff, because they're hungry and they're going to eat your flowers and your foliage and stems. So this is something you got to be vigilant and watch out for to make sure that they're not damaging your stuff. And another thing you want to watch out for is there's something that's boring actually into the stems of the straw flowers. And you'll just see like a little hole there, and the stem and what's above it will just start dying, because there's like it's like a little worm that's boring into them, and it's just killing the stems. So if you find that on your straw flowers or on any of your plants, go ahead and cut below where they went in at, like at the next leaf set, and see if they went the whole way down through, or if you can cut it until you don't see the damage in the stem anymore. And you can probably save your plant, because I have had that happen too, where they're going into the stems and they'll just eat the inside of the stem out, and then the plant sap can't flow properly because they ate the centers out, and your flowers and the stem above it will start dying. Now most of the time, from what I'm seeing, they kind of go up, but sometimes they do go down in the stem. So what I do is I cut the stem until I don't see the damage anymore in it, and then if you look inside the stem, you can usually find the culprit that damaged your stems and flowers. So that is something else to look out for. I hope that helps. I hope this video helps you to identify what could possibly be eating your straw flowers. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.